So hey friends, welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you a tool called Airgeddon. So what does this tool basically do? So this tool is famous for evil twin, pardon for my handwriting, attack. Okay, so what exactly is this evil twin attack? So let me just clear you. Let this be a router. Okay, this is your home router, a public router, office router, let it be. Okay, so there is a victim, be it your brother. So he is connected to the Wi-Fi and is not allowing you to connect to its router because he has changed his password. Okay, so this is your victim. Okay, victim, and this is you, a smart hacker. Okay, who knows how to use Airgeddon, of course. So this is your router. Let me just mention it. This is your router. Okay, so what you will do, you will disconnect your brother from the router. Okay, how will you do it? With the auth attack, which is again listed in the Airgeddon. Okay, so you will deauth your brother, not deauth your brother, deauth the router to disconnect your brother. Then your brother will be disconnected from the network, and he will not again be connected until unless you want him to be connected. Okay, so you create another router, not physically. You will create another router with same BSS ID, same channel number, everything same. The name will be also same. The difference will be, it will be an open network. Open network means it does not contain any password. Okay, so as soon as your brother will be disconnected from this router, he will be automatically connected with your fake router. Okay, which doesn't have any internet connection. So जैसे ही आपका भाई इस राउटर से कनेक्ट होता है, he will be prompted to a page. Okay, login page and HTML page, which will be asking for the paraphrase, that is password for the Wi-Fi. If you want to connect to this Wi-Fi network, you will need to give the password. As soon as your brother enters the password, this is just like a phishing site. Okay, as soon as your brother types in the password, you will get the password he has typed in it. Okay, so from this method you can get the password of any router. Okay, so this method is known as, let me read it, evil twin. Okay, so twin here stands for the double router you are making, same twins. Okay, and your work is absolutely evil. So evil prompts to, it is an illegal activity. Okay, don't try it with anybody else. You will be in serious trouble if anybody complains about this. Okay, so let's just start. First of all, I'm going to show you the Airgeddon repository. Okay, just type in Airgeddon and you will be prompted to Airgeddon GitHub. So you will be prompted to this website. Okay, so you will just click on it. Pardon for my network connection. So you will just copy the URL here, Control C. Okay, we don't need anything else. No, we don't need this. So we will just clone it. Okay, so open up the terminal. We'll give sudo then the password, clear, git clone, and Control Shift V. So here it is saying that fatal destination path Airgeddon already exists. This is because I have already cloned the site for saving your time, because this Airgeddon file is large and it will take about 45 minutes to clone. Okay, so I have already cloned it. With this command you can easily clone it. Okay, so let's just clear it and locate my Airgeddon. So change directory, Airgeddon. Okay, clear the terminal. Sorry, I have the habit to clear the terminal. Here we will see the files. So the main file here is that this script file, .sh, this bash file which we have to run. Okay, so yeah, with ls you can see either it is executable or not. If this Airgeddon.sh is not executable, that means if this is not green color, you will just give the command chmod plus x and then asterisk, so it will come in green color, and then you have to type bash. Just 1 second, just clear ice cream here. Airgeddon.sh. Okay, so this is the Airgeddon interface. It's looks really amazing. Okay, so here it will be detecting your resolution or the screen size, detecting your OS. Okay, so these are some compatible operating system in which Airgeddon can run. Okay, so here you can see there is no Windows. So if you want to be a hacker, or if you want to be a programmer, you should now switch to Linux distros. Okay, it is very helpful. Trust me, it is very helpful. Okay, so let's discuss that in another video. So I've got a new content. So these are some essential tools which should be in your system to run Airgeddon. Okay, so let me just recap it. These are the tools: IWAA, WKM1, and JDOP. These three are the most important tools. This is known as Aircrack NG suite. Aircrack NG suite. You can Google it. This is the most used tool for Wi-Fi hacking. Okay, so Xterm is a terminal, IPS, these are some dependencies. Okay, so these are some optional tools. So I have not ran this tool first time. Okay, this is my actually I've ran it for 100 times. So I have already installed all the tools. So I am giving a recommendation to install all the tools, either that be an essential tools or the optional tools. Okay, you should be installing all the tools. So if you don't have the tools, here you will be prompted to either you want to go with automatic installation or not. You will be given two choice, Y or N. So you have to just type Y. Okay, and you will be prompted to automatic installation. This will take about half or 1.5 hours, so depending on your internet connection. So just wait. Okay, I have already done it to save your time. So here it is mentioning your distros has all the essential tools. Script can continue. Press enter to continue. Okay, now the script will check for internet access. The script is already latest version, it does not need to be updated. Okay, so here you are given two options: ETH0, this means the Ethernet connection, the wired connection. Okay, and second is WLAN 0. Okay, this is your Wi-Fi card. Okay, Wi-Fi card and Ethernet cable. Okay, so I'll be recommending to go with a Wi-Fi and recommending, or it is you must go with WLAN 0 because the Wi-Fi card only can be set to monitor mode. Okay, we need monitor mode. The ETH0 Ethernet cable cannot be set into monitor mode. Okay, so this Wi-Fi card can only be set to monitor mode. So we'll be choosing this here, second option, WLAN 0. Okay, so we'll just click to. So this is so easy, you just have to type in the options and you'll be selected either one or either two. So we'll be click to. There are 12 options. Exit script, select other network interface. The network interface is Ethernet cable or WLAN 0. We have already selected WLAN 0. Okay, here you will be seeing interface is WLAN 0, mode is managed, and supported bands 2.4 GHz. Okay, so let's just skip that, it's very complicated. We'll just put our Wi-Fi card in monitor mode. So what exactly is monitor mode? If you want to see your network connection around you, okay, you have to set your Wi-Fi card to monitor mode so that it can monitor all the signals coming through it. Okay, so we'll just click to. Okay, so now you can see your interface name has changed, WLAN 0 mon. mode has changed, monitor mode, but the supported bands will remain same, 2.4 gigahertz. It will not change. Okay, it is a constant. So now you have gain monitor mode for your Wi-Fi chip. So we'll be heading to evil twin attack. Here you can see at 7 number it is stated evil twin attack menu. Okay, so we'll go in this, click on 7 and then click on 9, evil twin attack with captive portal. So what exactly is captive portal? Let me just explore. Remember I have told you that there will be a phishing site. Let's just name it index.htm. okay, so this will be your phishing site. The Airgeddon tool has itself created this site, so you don't have to create an HTML page for this. So captive means what? To capture the credentials. Okay, the paraphrase you will be prompting here, it will capture. Okay, and portal means this is your portal. This index.html is a portal, and this captive means capturing the credentials. So it has got the name captive portal. Okay, so let's just go with 9. So here you can see your Wi-Fi card is scanning the networks around you. You can see there are Oppo. This is computers, PCs hotspot actually. So I'll just turn on my own hotspot, okay, to demonstrate this tool, and I'm having a second phone to connect with my own phone's hotspot. Okay, so yeah, phone is connected. You can see my phone is Redmi Note 7s. This is my phone's Wi-Fi. So this, okay. Just focus on this. This is by BSSID. Okay, it is spoofed. Absolutely. So here you can see this is same. Okay, E2 6A 60s B4 60. So this is my Redmi Note 7's BSSID. Sorry, this is fluctuating. This, and this is the station. Station means the phone which I have connected. Okay, the second phone which I have connected to my hotspot. Okay, so here I am seeing that yes, my phone is already connected to another phone. So this tool will only work on a connected network. Okay, so आपको अगर यहाँ पे अपना मतलब victim मिल जाता है तो you just click enter, sorry, Control C. So you click Control C. No, okay, you just Control C and click on type N. So you'll be prompted here, the yellowish part, this Oppo and Redmi Note 7s have some clients. मतलब Redmi Note 7s hotspot is connected to another phone. Okay, so I'll be selecting Redmi Note 7s. So I'll be clicking 5 and I'll be deauthenticating my own phone. Remember the brother, you have to deauthenticate. Okay, so I will go with Deauth AirPlay attack. Again the AirPlay. This AirPlay is in Aircrack NG suit. Okay, so I'll go with 2. Do you want to enable DOS password mode? No, I'm good. Do you want to spoof your MAC address? Actually you should. Okay, I'll go with Y. So do you have already captured handshake file? So what exactly is handshake file? So come on this. Okay, so your Wi-Fi, okay, your Wi-Fi has some password. Okay, so that password is displayed in binary form. Okay, binary form, a file, it's stored in binary form. Okay, so this binary file is known as handshake file. Okay, so if we got this handshake file, we can crack it with either John, you've heard the name John, the tool, Aircrack, with some word lists. Okay, so this is a bit I think complex for you now. So you will be prompted, you have already have captured handshake file. No, we haven't captured handshake file, so we will go with no. So the value in second for timeout, the time you want to deauthenticate the victim. Okay, so I'll go with 20 and press enter. So here the deauthenticate code is running. and you can see I've already gained the handshake file here. Just wait for some time. If you won't get this, you can again repeat the process. Okay, so I've already got the handshake file. So I'll just type the path so it can be saved. Okay, so it is asking for where you can store your password. I don't want to store my password, just click enter. So here this is asking for the language you want your phishing site in. If you want it in English, you can go with English, Spanish, French, Catalan, Portuguese, Russian, Greek, Italian, Polish, German, Turkish, Arabic, okay, whatsoever. I'll go with English. I'll go with English. So wait for some seconds. This is the first window. This is the second window. This is the third window. This is fourth, fifth, one more, come on, yeah, sixth. So okay, so let me just explain what are these. Okay, this is AP. Okay, here you will be prompted either the fake router you have created, it is connected to a device or not. Okay, here the server PostgreSQL will be starting. Okay, so this is actually just injecting the index.html page to the Wi-Fi. This is the authentication code, this here, right? Sorry. And here you can see the password. Here the password will be displayed. It is a DNS mask. It is a bit complex. And this is the server. Okay. So these two are a bit complex. Okay. I don't want you to go such complex. Okay. So I'll just connect with the fake. I'll screenshot all the routers. Okay. I'll give you all the screenshots of the phones I've been connecting. So you're seeing that there is two Redmi Note 7s fluctuating between them. Okay, due to the auth code. So let me just connect it with the fake one. So yeah, here you can see it is connected. Just wait a second. Yep, here you can see it is connected. Okay, this is connected. This is the phone model that is connected to your hotspot, fake hotspot. This is its IP address, which is MAC address. Okay, so here in the phone you can see you will get a notification signing to the Wi-Fi network. Okay, I'll screenshots all the phone. Okay, so as soon as you open the sites, you can see there is a port open on the this IP address. Okay, we'll just type in the password. Let it be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, and then submit it. So as soon as you have submitted the password, you'll be getting this password just like phishing tool. So bingo, you've got the your password. You can now easily connect to it. You have to just clear all the spoofed router you have created. Just click enter. Sorry. Here you have to click enter. You go for restoring interfaces. Yeah, everything is fine now. You have to just make sure that your interface is again to manage mode. Okay, you have to put your interface at default mode so that your network can work. So yeah, you can see this is again at manage mode. Okay, so yeah, you can see here sometimes this glitch comes. Okay, let me just exit the script. So you can see at Linux there is a script that network manager is not running. Okay, this is a glitch. Okay, network manager is not running. So we'll just fix it in this video only, as this is a glitch of Airgeddon. Clear. So service network manager restart. So as soon as you type the service network manager restart, you can see you are again connected to the network. Okay, So this is the service you have, network manager service you have to restart it. It will stop because you have connected to, you have changed your Wi-Fi card to monitor mode. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy this video. Please click on subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much.